Hello and welcome to Edupedia, World of Education. We have already uploaded introductory video of vowel pairs. All vowel pairs in which first vowel says its name and second remains silent is introduced in that video. If you find the content helpful, give it a like and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Remember, when two vowel goes walking, the first one keeps talking. He says its own name. E-Y says E. E. Key. E. Key. A. R. E. Turkey. A. R. E. Turkey. A. N. E. Honey. A. N. E. Honey. D. A. N. E. Donkey. D. A. N. E. Donkey. M. A. N. E. Monkey. M. A. N. E. Monkey. M. E. E. Mickey. M. E. E. Mickey. J. A. E. Jockey. J. A. E. Jockey. V. A. L. E. Valley. V. A. L. E. Valley. A. L. E. Alley. A. L. E. Alley. Ch. E. M. N. E. Chimney. Ch. E. M. N. E. Chimney. Tr. A. L. E. Trolley. Tr. A. L. E. Trolley. St. A. R. E. Story. St. A. R. E. Story. Hope you liked the video. Share to your friends and family. Subscribe now. Press bell icon for notification for such educational videos. Thanks for watching.